Hi guys, Margarita from Social Link Agency, and today I want to talk to you about your Facebook business page. There are 5 simple rules you need to follow in order to get super results from your Facebook business page. Rule number 1, cover picture. Cover picture is very important, especially when you don't have your website, but you use only your Facebook page. Hire a professional designer. Let him design your cover picture. Cover picture needs to tell your potential customers what is your business all about, what is your business idea, what are you selling, what services do you have. It's supposed to give him a basic idea about your business in like 3 seconds. So you need to hire a designer in order to design it professionally, in order for it to look professional. Rule number 2, your logo. It's also supposed to be professionally done. It's supposed to represent your business. So it needs to look good and neat. Also, when you invest in Facebook advertising, your customers need to remember you by something, so they will remember you by your logo. Rule number 3, your About section. Please take your time and fill in everything that is there to fill in. If your business working from 9 to 10, fill it in, fill your working hours. Tell customers about your business. There is a short description and there is a long description. Fill them both in. Fill details about your services. Fill everything your customers need to know about your business, including your location, by the way. Don't forget that, this is important. Call to action button. Don't leave it as the default option of Facebook. Fill it in with whatever is important for your business. If you want to receive calls from your customers, add your phone number there. If you want your customers to go to your website, link your website to that button. Don't leave it empty. Rule number 5, your posts. Your posts not only supposed to look good, but they're supposed to speak in the same language as your customer is. For example, if you're targeting moms, it's supposed to talk to moms. It does not supposed to talk to some web developers. If you're talking to web developers, well, speak their language. If it's fitness industry you're working for, you need to talk in their language. Don't try to be smarter than them, just speak in the same language that they are. And of course, design your posts professionally so that it will look similar to each other. People supposed to know where those all posts come from, that they come from your page, so you need to keep similar design in all of them. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any more questions, just comment below.